Mr. Pilipinas, Angeles City, Pampanga. Ayan Abad Santos. Ayan is a big fan of his mama's caldereta. Ayan loves to go to the gym, watch movies, and read during his idle time. And he wants to be a lawyer someday. Mr. Pilipinas, Angeles City, Pampanga.